Welcome back. Now we're going to close out the course by setting up your voice recognition software. And you can go inside of your search bar and you can type in speech recognition. And when you get there, you're going to click this app. And once you have the app open, you're going to go to the app. You're going to right click it, and then you're going to go to this configuration. You're then going to click Set up my microphone. You'll then pick the microphone that you're going to be using. You'll then click Next, and then you'll read this phrase. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, particularly prefers it to pen and paper. And once you do that, then your microphone will then be ready to use with your voice recognition software, and you can click Finish. Now you can go back to the voice recognition software. You can right click it, and then you can improve on your voice recognition by going to this link. You're also going to want to look at your options available. You can start the software at startup. You can enable the dictation scratch pad, and you can play audible feedback. Now voice recognition does do some things just as Cortana does. It does require you to know the commands for use. And there are two places to find those commands. You can find them inside of the tutorial, obviously, but you can also look at the OpenSpeech reference card. And it's there you'll have a list of commands that will tell you what you can say and what you cannot. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.